This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Sahil Naimi. Welcome to this immaculate all-brick 2-story home located in the highly desirable The Glen at West Valley, SD. This rare corner lot property boasts a side entry garage and flagstone walkway, as well as an expanded driveway for additional parking. The moment you step inside, you will be greeted by tons of natural light flooding the house. The main floor features a spacious master bedroom with a tray ceiling, along with a master bathroom that boasts quartz countertops and a beautifully tiled shower. The home also offers an inviting open floor plan, with a stunning 10-feet ceiling in the living room. Hardwood floors are present throughout the home, making it easy to maintain and keep clean. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with quartz countertops, quartz sink and under-cabinet lighting, along with a gas stove, stainless steel appliances and a large pantry with solid shelving. Upstairs you will find 3 bedrooms plus a large bonus room that can be used as a media room, children's playroom, etc. plus an oversized walk-in attic providing extra storage space for all your belongings. A lovely screened-in porch with skylights and custom shades offers a perfect place to relax and enjoy the beautiful outdoor scenery. Just beyond the screened porch is a lovely patio with natural gas hookup for a grill. The property also features professional landscaping with an irrigation system to ensure your lawn stays lush and green all year round. Buyer to verify square footage and all measurements. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this stunning home your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Sahil Naimi at 865-966-1111.